Sunrise on the Rio Grande, fields of green and golden sand. Farmers with a steady hand, working on this hallowed land. Long days in dusty boots, driving tractors, planting roots. They're the ones who bring us food, keeping all our dreams in bloom. From Amarillo down to Austin, cotton fields and cattle roam. In their hearts this land's worth holding, all their stories worth the told. Sweat and toil beneath the sun, their hard work is never done. Through the seasons, rain or shine, they're the heroes of our time.